yung nagroleta sila para piliin kung sino yung magluluto for lunch. Tapos napili si Hoshi.
correct.
Yung reaction talaga nila lahat.
너지?
We're screwed. Ganun din yung reaction ko kasi nung pumitik na Hoshi.
Correct,
Kasi
correct.
napag-gasp talaga. What the hell are they gonna eat? They're screwed.
Yung pinartition niya talaga yung mga pagkain na okay, mga 13 pumpkins lang, 1 each. Tapos
Systematic.
mushrooms, ayoko ng mushrooms so hindi tayo magluluto ng mushrooms.
I really find that also very adorable. He is leader Nim, but he can be baby also. Alam mo yun? And like when he's like put in situations like this, na wala siya masyadong expertise, makikita mo yung baby coming out. And then makikita mo sa mga mata niya yung earnestness niya to do well, to do good.
I love also what Nappy D pointed out towards the end of the series na parang, I understand what Hoshi's role is in this team. He's in the middle. He gives support sa taas, he gives support sa baba. Parang Hoshi has a way of making himself known, no, kung anong ginagawa niya. Yung parang wala naman siyang ginagawa eh.
Correct.
Parang, dito lang ako ha. Tawagin niyo lang ako ha. Wala namang sasagot. Pero parang basta nandito ako ha.
Basta nandito ako.
Correct.
정말 잘 먹었습니다. 정말 잘 먹었어요.